Hi, applied maths students. Welcome to our channel Max Plus You. I have completed successfully 3 exercise children. Okay, I have what and all 3.1 in the differentiations, in the 3.2 rate of change, 3.3 tangents and opposites. 3.3 alone I have to give the practice sums children. Other two things I have given the practice sums. 3.4 here and there I thought to give. So in that the next topic heading is increasing and decreasing function. Okay sir, increasing decreasing function, what's that going to do? We have more basics in it. So and I just want to discuss about now critical points. Critical point also have some understanding about it, but now I'm not going to discuss about it, just how to find the critical point. I have to differentiate the function and I have to equate with 0 to get the value of x. Very simple. Okay, sir, critical point, I want to find critical point as what you are saying, I should differentiate one time. Okay, then I have to equate with 0. Okay, then find the x value. That only you are saying, yes, that's only I'm saying. You have to differentiate once, equate with 0 and get the critical points. Critical points why you are doing for increasing decreasing motion, that you will use for that increasing decreasing. Okay, exercise 3.4 we are doing find the critical points of the following functions. First subdivision, actually 4 subdivisions is there children, we are going to discuss it. First one, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 10. What are we going to do? Like that you ask, no? Yeah, we're going to do very simple thing only. What? Differentiate. X cube differentiation 3x square. Minus 6 into x square differentiation 2x. So directly also you can write minus 12x. 6 2s are 12. Minus 12x you don't know to write. Yes, you can write. Then x differentiation 1, 9 into 1, constant differentiation 0. You can directly write this. So you may skip this step, no issues at all. X cube differentiation 3x square minus 12x plus 9. So as we already discussed, for critical points, we have to put f dash of x equals to 0. Equate with 0 children. 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. So after doing equal to 0, what will be happen? It will be divided with 3. To make it as simpler, because all the numbers are being multiple of 3, so I am dividing. Otherwise I have to splitting the middle term or use quadratic formula to get the value of x. Children, since it's a quadratic equation, I am doing the splitting middle term. So divide with 3 x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, what are you going to do? Multiplying na 3, adding na minus 4. So I wanted to get the multiplication. I want to get the 3 for multiplication, and I want to get minus 4 when I'm adding. So I'm doing minus 3 minus 1. Actually, minus 3 minus 1 correct, because two numbers when I'm taking, I'm multiplying now, I'm getting 3 and adding now minus 4. You know children, since the x square coefficient is 1, I can write directly also x minus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. X equals to 3, x equals to 1. These are the critical points actually. If the x square coefficient other than 1, I have to split like this, x square minus 3x minus 2x then plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so then I have to split, make it as 4 term, and even you may apply quadratic formula also to get that critical points. So after write critical points are 1 and 2. Write it, that is very important. Going for second subdivision, again f of x log x by x. So two functions are there in division, so going to use quotient formula, quotient rule. U is log x, v is x. Log x differentiation 1 by x children, x differentiation 1. So u by v whole dash equals to u dash v minus v dash u divided by v square. So start applying. So what I am going to do it now, u dash is 1 by x, then since u dash is 1 by x, apply v is x minus v dash is 1, u is log x, divided by v square, that is nothing but x square. So that x and x cancel and you're going to get it as 1. Now then f dash of x equals to 1 minus log x divided by x square. So to find the critical points, we have to put f dash of x equals to 0. So we are equating the f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but 1 minus log x by x square equals to 0. Easy, amma. A division x square goes, it's in a multiplication. Children, 0 into x square is 0. That's what we are written. Then I have kept minus log x that side. Minus log x goes, it's in a plus log x. like 1 equals to log x. So we all know one value is log e is 1. So instead of 1 we can write log e. So log and log it been removed now, x equals to e. Clear? Check. So we have done f dash of x equal to 0 and division goes with sign of multiplication becomes 0. 1 minus log x equals 0. I may write, as I said, 1 equal to log x. 1 is nothing but log e. To get that, like usually we'll write now sine 30 degree equals to, actually on applied maths we are not using, but I'm talking about 10th standard, sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Now then we will talk about when it will be coming in that sense. Okay. Therefore critical point is e power. Then third subdivision, 50 root x minus 0.5x minus 1000. Do differentiation. 50 times root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x minus 0.5 x differentiation 1, 1000 differentiation 0. So cancel 2 and 50. So getting it as 25 divided by root x minus 0.5. So f dash of x is nothing but 25 by root x minus 0.5. To find the critical points, you have to do f dash of x equals to 0. So what and all going to do it? 25 by root x minus 0.5 equals to 0. Minus 0.5 goes the sign now, plus 0.5. So 25 by root x equals to 0.5. So 0.5 we may write it as 1 by 2 also, children. So when you cross, we get 25 2s are 50 and 50 equals to root x. Actually, some people will do, sir, x equal to root 50. Okay, sir, they will ask. Not okay. Because this root x is nothing but like x power 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 goes at square only. 50 square only ultimately will be getting. Sir, that and all. I didn't understand, sir. Na? Always root something is there. I have to remove. I have to do square to remove the square root. That way also you can remember. So squaring on both sides. So 50 square equals root x whole square. So we are getting ultimately x equals to 2500. So and the critical point is 2500. Clear? Check pa? So always remember root x is 50. It doesn't mean x is root 50. X is 50 square, that is nothing but 2500. That alone remember important. Then today last subdivision, today in the sense this video, fourth subdivision, f of x equals 5x e power minus x by 3. You have to do 5. I kept common, children, and I am going to do it. What I am going to do? X and e power minus x by 3. I am taking it as a function which is in product. Correct? Two function multiplication. What we going to do? What? Product rule only. U is x. B is e power minus x by 3. X differentiation, children. 1. E power minus x by 3 differentiation. E power minus x by 3 times minus 1 by 3. Then multiply minus e power minus e power minus x by 3 divided by 3. Apply u with the old dash u dash v plus v dash u. F dash of x. 5 outside. Apply this. U dash v plus v dash u, then something take common, e power minus x by 3 I have taken common and I got 1 minus x by 3. Easy, So just 5 already I kept outside. Now e power minus x by 3 common here also and here also. Both taken common now, 1 minus x by 3. So to find the critical points, we wanted to put f dash of x equals to 0. So 5 e power minus x by 3 into 1 minus x by 3 equal to 0. So 5 e power minus x by 3 also I should equate with 0. 1 minus x by 3 also I should equate with 0. Because multiplication. So both I have to equate, but it's not necessary both supposed to be equal to 0. Because e power anything, we won't get 0 at all. Because e power 0 you get done also, you will get 1 only. So exponential function, we won't get 0 at all. Then this e power minus x by 3 which does not exist. But this 1 minus x by 3 equal to 0 can exist. So minus x by 3 goes at plus x by 3. Division 3 goes at multiplication. So ultimately x equal to 3. So what we are talking now, so in the two things is there now, this is responsible for getting 0 also, okay. Because if this bracket is 0, 0 into anything 0. So it doesn't means both supposed to be 0. Okay, so if I got any one dash into multiplied two numbers, x into y equals to 0 now. So it's not necessary. X also should be 0, y also should be 0. Any one is equal to 0 also. Okay, both are equal to 0, it's well and good. But here, the second term alone equate with 0 and getting the critical point is 3. Clear? Check mark. And this model, I'm going to give you the two sums. Last exercise, we are not given together, but that separately we will give. But now time and there I thought to give critical points, 5th subdivision and 6th subdivision. So here they given one particular interval, so that within that interval you go into, suppose within the interval, apart from the interval, I got a value x equal to 2 now. The 2 I should not take as a critical point, because within this interval the critical points I have to take. That alone you will remember in this. Other things are as usual. Kindly forward this video to applied maths students. It will be useful for them. Thank you.